Donaldson TORIT has done it again. The originator of the cartridge collector is proud to introduce the breakthrough performance of the DownFlo Evolution, a new family of cartridge dust collectors that is more compact and efficient than ever. With a revolutionary airflow management design and the incomparable Max Pulse cleaning system, the DownFlo Evolution delivers best-in-class performance. And it does it with fewer filters and the lowest cost of ownership. What makes the DownFlo Evolution, or DFE, a true game changer is the introduction of the intelligent dropout zone. In it, dirty air is first channeled to a low-loss area away from filter media that helps pre-separate heavy dust particles, lower pressure loss, and minimize abrasion on the filter element. Next, the air is pulled through the cartridge filters where the Max Pulse cleaning system goes to work. Using a double diverging pulse nozzle, the Max Pulse system minimizes energy loss and distributes cleaning energy evenly to match the unique shape of the filter. Testing shows the Max Pulse system delivers 27% higher pulse pressure than traditional pulse cleaning systems. The result is longer-lasting filters and more effective filtration over the life of the filter. Of course, Donaldson TORIT wouldn't design a world-class dust collection system without a world-class filter to go with it. Like all Donaldson TORIT cartridge filters, DFE filters are constructed with ultra-web filtration technology. This nanofiber media is comprised of a microscopic web of fibers, a mere 0.2 to 0.3 microns in diameter. This web captures dust at the surface where it is easily pulsed away. The new triagonal shape of the DFE cartridge filter improves its performance by positioning more filter media at the bottom of the cartridge, which makes cleaning more effective. With a wide range of sizes, the DFE collector is the perfect solution for a broad variety of manufacturing processes and applications where effective dust collection is essential. Once again, Donaldson TORIT is set to change the dust collection industry, save space, improve performance, and lower your total cost of ownership with the intelligent design and unmatched performance of the Donaldson TORIT DownFlo Evolution.